It's me, Dino. Today we're playing Guess the Bird. Ready? Clue, tiny body, quick hops, chirp chirp. Who am I? It's a sparrow. Clue, flat bill, webbed feet, splishy splishy swimmer. Oh. Wait, you got a duck? Clue, big round eyes, quiet night flyer. What? That's an owl. Clue, rainbow in real life, curved beak, sometimes copies you. It's a parrot. Clue, waddles, loves cold, great swimmer, but doesn't fly. Correct, penguin. Clue, pointy beak, taps trees to find tasty bugs. That's a woodpecker. Clue, tall and graceful, often stands on one leg. You're right, flamingo.